Welcome back to another YouTube video from the Passive Investor channel. This week was such a beautiful week. As you can see, we got that email telling us that we've passed our phase one of the evaluation. Last time we just had like I think $15 left before we could pass. So the Monday when we opened, we managed to pass that. And yeah, man, that was also partly because we had an equity guardian on the account, so it had the 8% equity target, and when it was reached, it automatically stopped the robot. And why I mention this is because if I didn't have an equity guardian, then that robot would have just traded, and it might have taken losses, brought the account back down, and My Forex Funds will not automatically close an account for you when, even though you've reached all your targets, they won't close it out for you. You have to close it yourself. So guys, especially those of you that are gonna attempt prop firm trading with fully automated like I am right now, please invest in an equity guardian or an equity protector. In fact, I might drop one on my Telegram channel, just for those of you that are busy with your challenges, because that thing just acts unless your algorithm has a built-in equity take profit and stop loss, then you need to have an equity guardian on your account. So yeah, I'll drop that in the Telegram, my official Telegram group. I think the links are in the video description, so please check that out. So yeah, this was the first email that we got. So just says you've passed your first phase of the evaluation, and in order to receive your second phase, you need to go into the dashboard. I think I have a video showing how I did that. Here's the second email. Congratulations again on passing your phase one. I wish you the very best in your phase two. So this was when I went into the dashboard and did everything. So I just quickly took a video. This is me just in my Gmail account, just quickly checking these emails, So this was that first email that we received from My Forex Funds. So I went into the dashboard, and you'll see once you're in the dashboard, there's actually like a button on top that says upgrade. There's the button. So at that button, we just took 14 days to pass this challenge, and we reached 819. So yeah. Oh, now I need to restart this. Okay, there's the email. Sorry about that, guys. It's a video that I pre-recorded because yeah, I didn't want to release one vid. The plan was actually to come back on here and have passed phase two, but you'll see right now where we are with phase two. So we reached 819. That's when the equity guardian stopped us out. Yeah, account passed. As you can see, USD JPY still being one of the best instruments that I'm trading with. So I press the button. It says this will upgrade your account. You say yes, and just like that, we have been upgraded to the new account. Of course, they've sent an email. I couldn't really open that email on here because it has the account details for phase two, for the second phase of the challenge. But yeah, guys, that was basically it, man. That was basically it. So once that was done, we had our phase 2 challenge account, which is this one right here. I'm not sure if it will show anything. Yeah, phase 2 demo. I'm also busy with some FTMO accounts, but this is on the trial, just testing more EAs. Hopefully I'm able to release an EA that we can all trade with. But yeah, I would need to test it in real life trading conditions. But anyways, this is the second phase of the challenge. We started this account when on the 29th, I believe. 29th of May. 29th of May. Was it no, this was okay. This is when I got the account, but then we actually started trading on the 30th, on the Tuesday. So Tuesday, the EA started trading on this account. I start trading at 6 o'clock, which is around what, I don't know the GMT stuff, man, but where I am here this side in Namibia, I start trading at 6 with these EAs. And as you can see, Tuesday was a really good day. We made like $174. And then this was Wednesday, 31st, end of the month. We took a bit of a loss. Euro USD took us back. I was really, really hoping that we would be, I think to this, on Wednesday we were like at 340 or something like that. I was really thinking that we would pass this second phase by Friday, but this was news. There was some news from the US. I think it was JOLTS, job reports, and yeah, this made me change my whole strategy for the week for this, especially the EA working on EU, UJ, and GU. So if you see my other trades, you see these. Okay, US 30 always runs, but this EA always runs until around 6 o'clock for me. This is when it closes out. 6 o'clock on the platform is actually 5 o'clock for me. That's when I get off from work. So it always trades until 5 o'clock for me. But as you will see, like the next day, I changed the strategy completely because I realized from testing my other EA that is kind of similar to this one, that this EA doesn't work well with high impact news. With medium impact news, it's fine. But as you will see, I quickly changed the strategy up. I still have not changed USD JPY, even though it's one of my best currencies, as you will see in a few minutes. I'll go to the dashboard just so you guys can have a look at that as well. So this was the Thursday, and hey, it absolutely murdered the markets. But as you can see, I stopped at 2 o'clock, which is 1 o'clock here. 2 o'clock on the server, on the trading server. But yeah, because I made it stop trading up to midday because during the US session, I knew there was some PMI news coming out, as well as ADP non-farm payrolls. You know that this was an NFP week, and that's why I stopped it there and look at that incredible profit. And then the Friday, I also let it just trade up to 2 o'clock. I'll be changing those settings for this coming week so that it trades up to 5 o'clock again, because from now on, this will be my strategy with this EA. I'm not trading it NFP week. Starting from Wednesday, I would not be trading it up to 5 like I usually do. So, this is what it means to be an algorithmic trader. It's not just the algo does everything for you. The algorithms or EAs that we have in the markets now are not really like AI where this thing can pick up on these cues and do everything for you. These are not the type of EAs that we are dealing with in this market. We really just have you have to mind the machine. It's like machine minding the current EAs that we have. Um, and I think this is why a lot of these EAs get flack from a lot of manual traders saying that algorithmic trading isn't, profitable and all these things. As you can see, I'm passing challenges with EAs, but most people give them flack because, you know, because the people that sometimes sell these EAs give people an impression that this thing can do everything for you and it will open, close, and it will realize that, you know what, trading during high impact news is not good. No, guys, that's not how you trade as an algorithmic trader. As an algorithmic trader, yes, you are not you're not taking the shots, as in placing the trades, and this is one advantage because you don't have to guess, is this a good trade or not, like a manual trader would, you know, that whole psychology fighting you during your trading. You don't have to do that because the EA essentially removes a part of that. But that doesn't mean that you aren't supposed to be at your, watching your EA and making sure that it's doing the right thing. You still have to be there. And that's what it means to be an algorithmic trader, especially with these type of EAs. In future, you never know, chat GPT, AI, and all these things, it could be different. You could have an EA that can, using machine learning and neural networks and all these things, that can pick up on certain things and enhance itself. But currently, the EAs that we use, MT4, MT5, you have to mind the machine. You have to be there. Otherwise, you will get your account blown, and then you'll want to say algorithmic trading machines and EAs are trash. But that's not really the case. It's because you don't understand that these AAs aren't built to be thinking, self-sustaining models. They just execute. That's the beauty about algorithmic EAs. Not algorithmic, but EAs in general. They just execute. So now let me go to, okay, where is this? Let me go to to my dashboard and just show you guys. Just show you guys this real quick. Da, 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 da. Let me show you guys the dashboard. Let me just show you guys the dashboard. Let's see if it will go in. Yes, nice. So today's weekend, it always flatlines during the weekends, but there we go. Yeah, man. So got that profit on the Tuesday, went down because of that big loss on Wednesday, went up again on that Thursday. And then Friday, I actually ran from work to come and stop it out because my second day, the one that runs on US 30, was on, and I didn't want to take that risk. Of course, it's weekend now. 4 trading days in. Phase 2, as you can see, the account status is active. Your phase 2, you have 60 days, so you get more days to pass phase 2. And yeah, man, USD JPY is still our big hitter, and I'm thinking of or I might just leave it alone. I don't know. I don't know, but next week I think I might leave the settings. But if we do not pass by next week, then I might increase USD JPY to 2.5% risk, because it is still my best traded asset. If you remember, in episode 1 and 2, USD JPY has been my best asset ever since phase 1. So yeah, guys, that was me passing phase 1 as well as opening phase 2. I am thinking of, I have a robot that I'm testing right now that I'm thinking of releasing to you guys, but I first need to test it in real life conditions. I'm not gonna release anything that I have not tested because I'm not on here to get your money or anything like that. I'm just trying to help out where I possibly can. And if you guys want to help out, you can use my link to open your own prop firm account as well if you want to try out the challenges. So anyways, guys, until next time, friends, stay focused, keep up the faith, and have no fear. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Passive Investor out.